I'm gonna assume you know nothing about surfing, that maybe you don't even have a surfboard. This short video, I'm gonna give you 5 tips for you to get up and going immediately surfing the same day. Okay, folks? Tip number 1, you need to go to Costco and get a Wavestorm. The Wavestorm is $100. Best surfboard on the market. I have over 20 surfboards, and this thing is amazing. Probably the one I use at least once or twice a week. It's just such a fun board. It's easy to assemble, plastic fins, foam material, it's soft. It's just a blast. I don't know how else to describe it. Tip number 2 is you need to be going to the beach to learn to surf at low tide. Folks, listen, low tide. Let me show you a video footage of low tide surfing. Calm, peaceful. Let me show you the same beach at high tide. Isn't that terrifying? Low tide is just gentle. It's calm, it's peaceful, it's slow. Google the beach you want to go to. Google, let's say Ocean Beach, low tide, or San Diego, low tide. So just find out when it's low. Just a couple quick tips. Have a stranger or have somebody push you from behind. And if your left foot steps forward, it means that you should probably have your left foot forward and put the leash on your right foot. If someone pushes you and you go ahead and jump with both feet, if you jump with both feet, you should take the surfboard back to Costco, go home, and cry. Because, no, I'm kidding, but I don't know anybody that's jumped with both feet. You don't want the leash on the wrong foot because it's goofy. Put the board in the water and you're just gonna walk it like a dog. You're just gonna get to your about belly high, okay? Please, just take 2 waves, at least 2, maybe 5. Belly ride to the beach, to the sand. All right, folks? Just get comfortable riding it like a boogie board. There's no reason to race ahead and start shredding. All right, take it easy. It's day 1, okay? Take it easy there, you ambitious surfer, you. You're gonna catch a wave that's already broke, maybe take a couple strokes, and you're gonna stand up. Obviously, I'm making it look easy because I've been doing it forever, but I've also taken my 8-year-old son, there he is there, just catching on a wave. Look at the low tide. Look how easy it is. There's my 4-year-old daughter. I gave her a little push into the wave. But she's shredding, just getting tubed out of her mind, stoked out of her mind. There's my 5-year-old other daughter, shredding. I mean, I'd like to say it's easy, but it's if you get the Wavestorm and you get the low tide and you get a good attitude, you're gonna be surfing, okay? Ugh, this is the annoying part about surfing. People, the blazing sun in your face, the extremely hot sand, finding a parking spot, trying to paddle is annoying, balancing on the surfboard is annoying. It's like, no, just folks, listen, okay? Hey, it's okay. We're gonna do this. You're gonna do this. Actually, I'm not gonna be there. You are gonna do this, okay? You're gonna buy the surfboard because it's cheap and it's the best investment you're ever gonna make. You're gonna Google the beach you wanna go to on low tide. Okay, calm down, take some notes. You're gonna get out there with a positive attitude, okay? I don't care how bad of a swimmer you are. You're gonna walk your board out in the water. You're gonna catch a wave that's already broke. Yeah, you're gonna struggle. You're looking at a dork for the first hour. I'm kidding. It could be an hour, it could be longer. Do me a favor, take 40 waves. I give the 90% chance that you're gonna be surfing or standing up and riding for at least 3 seconds. And hey folks, you stand up for 3 seconds, high five, okay? You're a surfer. I actually do want to hear some success stories. If you happen to be a successful story surfer from this video, would you go ahead and comment? Would you go ahead and like if you like this material? If there's something I should expand it upon, please do that too as well. We're here together. I want to be posting once a week. Nobody cares. Okay, great.